Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you all how to install the Geek K01 Smart Lock. This product has a range of features that include access via key entry or the more futuristic smart technology inclusion of the fingerprint unlock and remote unlock systems. With the addition of being able to include up to 20 fingerprints on the one device to truly secure your home. All you need is the product itself and the Geek Smart app, which is available in all app stores on every device. The product specifications include: the exterior assembly has a weather-resistant rating of IPX3, the locking assembly is manufactured out of aluminium alloy, the product will need 4 times AAA batteries, giving it up to 365 days of use or 250,000 uses. Included in the box. We will now go through contents of what is included when we first open the box. We are presented with a user manual and a warranty card, which is easily uploaded and registered via a QR code, with additional QR codes that assist you in downloading the Geek Smart app and presenting further installation videos and help. In addition, the product includes the installation requirements, of which consist 1 exterior knob, 1 interior knob, 4 times screw A, 2 times screw B, 2 keys, 1 strike plate and a single latch. The first step in the installation process involves inserting the latch and fix to the edge of the door with the 2 screw A screws. Make sure that the latch is securely screwed in. After inserting the latch, the second step is to separate the doorknob assembly and take the exterior knob and place it through the door and latch on the exterior side of the door. Feed the small wire and connector through the opening on top of the latch cavity. Step 3. Take the interior section of the doorknob and feed it through on the internal side of the door. Join the 2 wires by pushing the connectors together on the end of the wires. Step 4. Line up both interior and exterior knobs through the door cavity and push together. Step 5. Remove the end cap on the interior knob and line up both of the interior and exterior knobs. Screw together with the 2 screws provided, screw Bs. Step 6. Insert 4 times AAA batteries as specified with the plus and minus symbols. Replace and re-screw on the end cap onto the interior knob. Step 7. Download the Geek Smart app and follow instructions to activate your smart lock. There are 2 ways you can find instructions on how to connect your smart lock and the app. You can either scan the QR code provided in the product packaging or refer to the instruction manual, which is also provided. Once you have downloaded the app, you're going to want to open it up and firstly click Add Device button. You will then want to select the K01 option. You will then be shown the nearest lock of that selection. This is the process of the lock connecting to your device. You will then need to select your lock. This completes the process of adding your lock to the Geek app. Now to the process of adding your fingerprint. First thing you need to do is click Member Management, then click Me. You'll have to scan whatever finger you choose up to 6 times, as it needs to fully scan your fingerprint in great security. Once completed, you are able to name the fingerprint on your device, which if need be can also be deleted at a later date. To conclude in this installation video, as you can see, this is a really easy product to install, either as a replacement or a new installation. This product is perfect for all demographics and multiple applications, whether it's the entry to your house or any internal doors such as study, bedroom, or any room you feel needs to be secure.